Hey guys,
Yeah,
Enoch. Today I'm back with another video.
The flat disc one.
I'm going to be showing my airsoft guns. So I have a pistol, a P226. And then here I have the M1 Cockback 16. Well, it's not really a Cockback, but this is a Mag 04. This is rapid fire.
What?
And then we have like a scar, sort of. Here's the coolest part, though.
Okay. You guys are gone like all fucking day.
We can like
What'd you guys go do?
put that there and then here we have
Maui?
here we have the adjustment for your shoulder. I keep it like that because in the middle. And fourth, we have a hunting rifle. And I like this put. Here is a cock. This is a cockback.
Monka S.
And then
Can I get F's in the chats?
boom.
I'm just checking the door.
And I got a new one. This is called a.
Have fun. Monka S.
Okay, this is called a. This is called
Also,
a
give
one.
me, I guess another Capri Sun.
Dad, I'm trying to make a YouTube. And here we have a Winchester. I can't shoot it because there's BBs inside this thing. Oh, I think there's one BB inside this thing. I don't know. You know what? There's one BB stuck in here. There's one BB stuck in here. You have to shoot the BB out. Face ground. No. Yes, I got it out. Okay. There. No, not. Alright, Dad, I got all the BBs out of this thing. Jasmine, no. No, guys. Guys, no. Let's go. What?
Why are you trying to sell it to me?
No. Alright, now I can shoot this thing. There's no more BBs inside this thing because I shot the last BB out. Alright. So, Jeez, this thing's very hard. So first, you might, if you're a kid, you might want to put it upside down. If you hear that clock, it means you should know you're good. Put it back, then boom. And then, we're not done yet. I have 6,000 BBs in this. I love it. And not done with that, last one. I have a target practice firing thing. It's like, because it's made out of clay, if you shoot it, it breaks. So, it's actually kind of cool. So, yeah, guys. Oh, Jasmine! Jasmine, what are you doing? Jasmine! Bailey! What you doing, Bailey? Alright, stop! Hey! Stop! Bye, I guess.